Hey Victoria, my name is Joyce and I work with Valerie and Seth over at Grizzly Media Solutions. Valerie told me she talked to you, and since then I've heard some really great things about you guys, Robert, Chad, everyone there at ACE. I wanted to thank you for allowing me to create this short video for you guys, and I don't want to waste your time, so let me get to it. I'd like to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most business owners I talk to are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them. And I do understand when there's hesitation about hiring a marketing or an SEO company. It's hard to know who's an expert and who's not. But by the end of this video, if you like what you've seen and heard, you can respond to our email or just give us a call, talk to Seth. But if you get to the end of the video and you just want to implement these 3 things I'm going to give you, I call it my free attack plan, that's fine too. I just like helping businesses, so if I can help you get more business, then I've done my job. So let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above the competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. So taking a look at your website, your content is roughly 250 words. Google likes to see 1,500 words or more of content. It is what they use to rank you in the search results, partly what they use. So if we look at one of your main competitors over here, they have roughly 300 words of content, plus all of the images, and I don't think they have a video. You guys had a video. There should be content attached to those images as well, and that's going to count on Google as well. So part of content is not just the number of words, but the key words you use within that content. So what people are searching for to find your services, number 1 is Phoenix air conditioning. That's about as direct as it gets, right? Oddly enough, in the search results, there's a company out of Florida that's ranking in this map area and also down here. They, because of their name, are ranking very, very well in Phoenix, unfortunately, and they're in Florida. So that's very doable to get past them and to get up here in the number 1 spot. There's a difference between showing up in this map pack and down below in the organic section. So I want to go over that. But I wanted to pull up exactly what people are searching for, Phoenix air conditioning, and see if you're using it on your site. So here's a tool you can use that's absolutely free. This is called SEO Quake, and it's a browser extension for Chrome. Once you install it, you can look at your own site, your own page, and analyze it. You can look at your competitors. This is what I do. I love this tool, and it's a free tool. I don't even pay for this one. So let's look at some keywords down here. We were looking for Phoenix air conditioning, and it doesn't look like you have that in your keywords on your website. Even in the 2-phrase keywords, I don't see like Phoenix Air, Phoenix AC. You definitely need to include that on your page. So what's cool about this tool is it shows you the phrase and how many times it's showing up on that page, the URL to your page. So I would definitely include Phoenix air conditioning on your page. Your competitor does have it. They're not using it a lot. They have it listed 9 times on their homepage. So they do have some other, like Phoenix AC heating is giving them, they have it listed 12 times, so that's giving them some traffic for people, searching for that. Phoenix air conditioning, that's pretty much it. Air conditioning is a global term, so that's not going to help in Phoenix specifically. Google does rank based on local businesses and localization, so keep that in mind. So content is number of words and the keywords that you're using, and that will help you rank on Google above your competition. So let's move on to the second thing. When we go back to our Google results, and I mentioned this map pack area, these businesses got into the map pack primarily with their use of citations. It's a number of things, but citations are what really drive getting a business listed in the map pack. This is really valuable real estate right here. You want to be in the map pack because out of all of the results on this page, This area and this business right here gets about 1/3 of all of the clicks on this page right there. Paid ads, by contrast, which this page has a couple at the bottom. I didn't see any at the top this time. These guys are getting less than 10% of clicks, especially down here at the bottom. Well, that's Home Advisors. But down here at the bottom, they're going to get maybe 5% of clicks, which is not really any better than the people showing up near the bottom here in the organic search results. So citations. To get into the map pack, a citation is the name, address, and phone number of your business out there on the internet in directories, different directories. Here's another tool I use that you can also use. This one does cost some money. It's called whitespark.ca. And I think the cheapest plan is $20. I pay $100 for what I use it for. And I've pulled up your citations versus your competition. You actually have more citations than they do. That's good, but what we'd like to see to solidify your place and to get you into the map pack is 200 to 300 citations in here. And what you can do with the competition with this great tool, WhiteSpark, is click on the sources, and sometimes it'll allow you to submit your business right here, like for Yelp. Otherwise, you'd have to go through each directory that they are listed on and see how you can get listed as well. And you can copy them and get listed and hopefully, beat them in the long run with more citations and get into the map pack area, which is what you want. Valuable real estate, that's where you want to be. So that's number 2. The third part of my free attack plan is link juice, backlinks. So let me go back to your site and let's see here with our free tool, SEO Quake, how many backlinks you guys have. So a backlink is when another website lists a link to your website. So they point to your website from their website. And, you may be friends with the pizza place down the street, and maybe he has a local business networking page and he puts your link up. That's not going to hurt you, but it's not really going to help you. What gives you link juice from these backlinks in Google's eyes to make you the authority is when the links come from relevant businesses, from relevant websites. So you might have a listing on, some sort of AC directory or HVAC directory. You may have a listing. Maybe you have friends who have HVAC businesses in other areas, and they have directories on their sites, and they list you. That would give you link juice. So just start thinking about how you could get more backlinks. You have 290, and your competition, by contrast, only has 137. See, this is completely beatable with the right content, keywords, increasing your citations and backlinks. You can use the free tool SEO Quake. You've got whitespark.ca available to you to look up citations and borrow from your competition. So that's the free attack plan that I wanted to give you. Your content with keywords, citations, and link juice, backlinks. You've got to implement those 3. I promise you, if you do, and you do that today, you'll be number 1 on Google in a matter of months. Now, if you want to use the information I provided and do this on your own, I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourselves some time, you can give us a call or email us back at Grizzly Media Solutions. Talk to Seth, and we can talk about the options and how we can help you get more business in the door. My name's Joyce. I want to thank you again for watching my screencast and allowing me to send it to you. I hope you guys have a great day and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.